Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome everyone. So today we have a new lesson that we are going to talk about, which is lesson 3, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So previously guys, we have been talking about Africa, we've been talking about Asia, we've been talking about some of the Arab countries, but today we would talk more specifically about Saudi Arabia. So the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, it is the largest country in Southwest Asia, and it is most of its land is desert. As you guys know that um, the biggest desert in Asia is in Saudi Arabia, the empty quarter. It is also the largest country in the Arabian Peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water from three sides. So if you guys remember the map of Saudi Arabia, or we can watch this one here. It is surrounded by three types of seas: Red Sea and Arabian Sea and the sea on the right. That's why we call it Arabian Peninsula, because it is a land or a piece of land that is surrounded by water from three sides, right? Okay, so going back to the paragraph at the top, Saudi Arabia, it is a Muslim country, of course. Let's start highlighting. Most of its desert, of its land is desert, and a peninsula is piece of land surrounded by water from three sides. And it is a Muslim country. It is home of the two holy sites in Islam. Yes, so this is something you guys should know. Two holiest sites in Islam. What are the holy sites in Islam? First, we have the Mecca site and the mosque, Al-Masjid Al-Haram. This is the first holy site. When I ask you what are the holy sites, you would say the first one in Mecca is Al-Masjid Al-Haram. The second one is Medina, and it is called Al-Masjid Al-Nabawi. So the first one, Mecca, Masjid al-Haram. The second one is in Medina, in Masjid al-Nabawi. And for these two, we call, or Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is known as the land of the two holy mosques, or it is called like that for having the two holiest sites in Islam. As you guys can see in the picture here, we have the king of this country, or the founder of the country of Saudi Arabia. It was established in 1932 by King Abdulaziz bin Saud from Al Saud family, and it has ruled the kingdom since then. The country celebrates its national day each year on September 23. As you guys know, we are in the month September. We are 1 week ahead from the national day. So also there is a contest now for the best class, the best preparations for National Day. So if you are listening to this, you should think of things to bring to your class. And let's continue. The king rules the country. Of course, any king would rule the country, but the members of the council, which are the ministers, they assist, help. They help the king in his duties. All right, they help the king in the duties. Moving next to page 17, what borders Saudi Arabia? So if you guys think about the map, you can already tell what borders Saudi Arabia. So to the north, we have Iraq and Jordan. Okay, we can maybe make lines here. And to the northeast, we have Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain here on the right, and UAE. to the east. Okay, to the east is UAE, and to the southeast, Oman, and to the south, Yemen. Okay, so these are the borders of Saudi Arabia. As for the kings who ruled Saudi Arabia, we have 7 kings till now. From the start of the founding, we have first King Abdulaziz bin Abdurrahman Al Saud. Number 2, King Saud bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, rahimahullah. King Faisal bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, King Khalid bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, King Fahd bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, King Abdullah bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, and finally the current king, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. Moving to the next page, we have a picture here actually for King Salman, the current king or current leader. Moving to the second page and the final page for this lesson, education in Saudi Arabia. Something special about Saudi Arabia is that the education is free for every Saudi citizen in Saudi Arabia. So since you guys enter the school, there are no fees required in public schools for all the learners. As for private schools, it is not free, but only for public schools. This has helped increase the rate of literacy. So the purpose of having free education is to help with literacy in the kingdom. To more than 85%, they can write and read. What is literacy, if you ask me? What is literacy? It is the ability to read and write. So if you can read, if you can write, then you can call yourself literate, or you can say you have literacy skills. King Fahd University of Petrol and Minerals, جامعة الملك فهد للبترول والمعادن, King Saud University, King Abdulaziz University are some of the most advanced universities in the kingdom. So here we have examples of higher education, which are universities. And then we have 2 pictures of the holy sites. You can maybe write on the left or on the right, holy sites of Islam, Mecca, Masjid al-Haram, and on the right, Medina, Masjid al-Nabawi. Finally, the last paragraph, why is Saudi Arabia a rich country? So you can think of what Saudi Arabia gives to other country, and you would find out that the answer is producing oil. Okay, so oil is the reason for Saudi Arabia's richness. It sells most of its oil to other countries. This is called exporting goods. And what makes Saudi Arabia a special Arab country is a question here on the left. What makes Saudi Arabia a special Arab country? You might have to write this on your notebook and bring answers to discuss in class next week, inshallah. Exercise 1 in the quick review, page 19, is a homework. This page 19 is a homework. So I hope that I have covered most of the lesson or all of it. And if you have any questions, I'm more than welcome to answer you within the class time. And thank you. See you next class, inshallah.